Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my English online class of KPB School and College. This is Aisha Akhtar, an assistant teacher of English version. Our today's topic is tag questions. I know this topic is little bit confusing to you, but I assure you after this class you will be able to do it correctly. First of all, we will know about questions. We know that there are three types of questions. First one, yes no questions, second one, WS question, and the third one is tag questions. Okay, yes no questions. If you are able to give a question's answer by saying yes or no, then these questions will be called yes no questions. Okay, as for example, are you sleepy? You can answer by saying yes or no. So, this kind of questions will be called yes no questions. WS questions. If a question start with WS word such as when, which, where, how, etc., then it will be called WS question. I am giving you an example, that is how are you. Here the question start with WS word, that is how. Remember it, these kind of questions always demand a definite answer. So, how are you? You have to give the definite answer, that is I am fine. You will not be able to give this kind of questions answer by saying yes or no. Okay, now coming to the third questions, that is tag questions, and this is our today's topic. Okay, a tag question is a question which is added at the end of the sentence or a statement in order to get recognition, confirmation of the listeners during a conversation. Okay, we can also say this kind of questions mini questions. Okay, now I am giving you an example, that is today is hot, isn't it? That means যদি আমরা বাংলায় বলি যে আজকে গরম, টুডে ইজ হট, তাই না, isn't it? সো আমি যে আমাকে শুনছে, যারা লিসেনার, তাদের কাছ থেকে আমি কি চাচ্ছি, কনফার্মেশন চাচ্ছি যে আজকে আসলেই গরম. সো হেয়ার isn't it is the tag questions. Okay, now we are going to or before going through the process, we have to learn some characteristics of tag questions. Okay, number one, that is given statement will be unchanged. That means the sentence that will be given in your answer script, that will be unchanged, or you can't change that part. Number two, there is always a comma between the statement and tag questions. So when you first you have to write the given sentence, and then you have to create the tag question. Before that you have to put a comma between the statement and the tag questions. Number three, a note of interrogation or question mark will be used at the end of tag part, that means tag question. Okay, a note of interrogation, that means question mark. So it is a questions, so you have to put a question mark at the end of this tag part. Okay, and it is, remember this, it is very much important to write a question mark at the end of this type of tag questions. Okay, number four, the subject of tag question will be always a pronoun. That means in a tag question you have to use a subject, and that will be always a pronoun or subject pronoun of the statement. Number five, that is subject pronoun of the statement will always be used as the subject of tag question. That means subject pronoun. The given statement's subject. Subject's pronoun will be used as the subject of the tag question. Remember this. For that, you have to suppose if the subject is a name of a male, then it will be he. If the subject is a female, is the name of a female, suppose Hira, then you have to use she, and if it is it or the name of a thing, then you have to eat.